So good day everyone, you are welcome to NASClick Academy. So in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to create Amazon KDP account. That is the new method of creating KDP account, because if you go to the main kdp.amazon.com, if you try to create an account, you are not going to be receiving an OTP from Amazon. So this has been the problem and many people are finding it hard to create an account. So I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to the method you are going to use to bypass this phone number OTP verification. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to get this application, the Google Authenticator. I recommend Google Authenticator, but you can use anyone you so wish, as long as the authenticator is working. So the next thing you need to do is to head over to your browser. You can either head over to your browser and go to the Amazon website, Amazon main website, which is the amazon.com. because once you have an account with amazon.com, you can be able to log into all Amazon listing website. So when you come in here after opening the amazon.com website, we come over here to create an account. We are going to be creating an account here. So here you're going to be typing in your first name and your last name. So I'm going to be typing in my first name and my last name here. I'm going to be using my email address here. Then here I'm going to be typing in the password I want to use. So the next thing is to click on verify email. So I'm going to be verifying my email address from here. I think I'm having network issues, so I want it to open first. Okay, so it has opened. I'm going to solve about this puzzle. So it says place a dot at the end of the cast part. Okay, so the next thing is we are going to be receiving an email address. So we are going to be receiving an OTP directly to our email. So I'm going to be checking up my email to copy the OTP that has been sent to me. So let me refresh it. Okay, you can see I've received an OTP directly to my email address. So I'm going to copy it so that I can continue creating my account. Next thing, I'm going to paste it and verify. And after verifying, I'm going to be going directly. So you can see here I can select in Nigeria, which is my country. So mind you, if you go directly to kdp.amazon.com, you are not going to be getting OTP. It has stopped coming. I don't know whether the problem is from Nigeria only or is everywhere. So you cannot get it. So this is the best way for you to follow. You just put in your email address, get the OTP, and then you put on your phone number from amazon.com. So you're going to be getting an OTP from here. Can see after this I'm going to click on the next, and I'll be receiving an OTP to my phone number. So I'll wait for the OTP to come in. So you can see I've already received OTP. So had it been I used the kdp.amazon.com, I'm not going to be getting OTP. You will just wait and waste your time, and you're not going to be getting any OTP. So you can see here I've created an account with amazon.com. So before I will go further to kdp.amazon.com, which is the Amazon KDP website, firstly I need to activate the two-step verification, because if I go to the amazon.kdp.com, they will ask me for phone verification, and I cannot provide that. So the easiest thing for me to be able to log into the Amazon KDP website is for me to come in here and activate. I'm going to be activating the two-step verification, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. You just come in directly here to login and security. So when you come to login and security, you just come down to here this you can see there is two-step verification. So I'm going to click on turn it on. Okay, you can see I've clicked on turn on. So the next thing I'm going to be clicking on get started. I'm going to be clicking on get started. So when I come in here, you can see they ask me for phone verification. So I'm not going to be using phone verification, because if I use the phone verification, when I head over to my KDP website, it is not going to work, because they are not going to be sending me any OTP. So I will click on this authenticator app. This is where the Google authenticator work comes in, or any other authenticator you might be willing to use. But for me, I prefer the Google authenticator. So when you come in here, the next thing you should do is copy this code that is here. You can see this is a code from this F to A that is here. So when you copy this when you copy it up, you head over to your authenticator. When you head over to your authenticator, this is my authenticator. I'm going to add it up into my authenticator. So the problem here is when I click on this authenticator, it's not going to be showing, it's going to be showing blank. So I know a lot of us might have been familiar with using authenticator, but if you find it difficult, you can contact me via WhatsApp. I'm going to help you out on how to use authenticator. You can search on Google also to find out how to use it. So this is my authenticator. I'll just need to, so when you come in, you are going to see a plus sign at the bottom right. You are going to see a plus sign. Just click on that plus sign. You will click on enter a setup key. Enter a setup key. You are not going to be seeing this that I'm doing, because it does not allow screenshot. So when the place you see name there, you can just type in, maybe you can just name it as Amazon KDP, or you can just say Amazon authenticator key, as you so wish to name it. So the next thing, on that place where you see your key, when you see your key, so just paste this security that we copied from the Amazon website. Once you paste it, you just click on add. So after clicking on add, it's going to be added into your Google authenticator, and you are going to be seeing some 6-digit codes. So these are the codes that you're going to be copying. When you copy them, you come back to your Amazon website, which is here. You enter this code that you copied from the authenticator. Okay, sorry, let me copy them again. So you enter these codes that you copied from the authenticator. After pasting them, you just click on verify OTP and continue, and this is going to be verified. So you can see almost done. Surprise OTP challenge during this and that. So I just click on got it, turn to step verification. You can see I've already turned on the two-step verification. Okay, so you can see this is the Amazon KDP account. This means that I have already logged into my Amazon KDP account. So like I told you guys, once you create an account with Amazon.com, you can access all Amazon websites with that same account. You don't need to create another one, and don't ever try to create another one, because it might be an issue that might lead to blocking of your account, because Amazon is an international company. It has a lot of policies. So once you break their policies, they are going to block your account immediately. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to update my profile. So I'm just going to be clicking on update profile. When I click on update profile, let it open. So I'm still going to impute OTP from my authenticator. So please, this authenticator is very, very important. You need to download it and know how to use it, because Amazon KDP website does not send OTP through phone number. It does not. It used to send OTP through phone number before, but it is no more sending. I don't know what the problem is, whether it's from my own country only. So I'm going to be copying the key, like I told you guys. I'll copy the key and impute it here. So I'm going to be signing in to update my profile. So once you update your profile, it means you are free to publish book, and I'm going to show you guys how that works. Fine. Okay, so this is my profile. This is why I'm going to be updating my profile. This is why I'm going to be updating my profile. So when I come in here, I click on profile. So I'm going to be clicking on individual here. So for my, I'm going to be inputting my date of birth here. Okay. 19. So I repeat it here. Well, so the next thing is to select my own country. So I'm going to be selecting my own country. I'm from Nigeria, so I will be typing in Nigeria. I'll be selecting Nigeria. This is Nigeria. So the next thing is to impute my own address. So I'm going to be imputing my address. Okay. So this is my own listing, my own address. So okay, please forgive me, I imputed the address in the wrong place. I imputed in the wrong place. So this is the address. This is the address. Here it says my legal name, so I'm going to be typing in the legal name of this account. So the next thing I'm going to be typing in the city. This is the city, and also my own state. I'm from Zamfara State. And so the postal code of my own state. So for you to get the postal code, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this postal code. It's very, very easy. You can just type in your state. For my own state is from Zamfara State, so I will just type in Zamfara State zip codes or postal codes, anyone you write is going to bring it out. So you can see these are the code from my own state. So I'm going to be selecting my own local government from here. Select it, open. So I'm going to be selecting my own local government, which is the Gusau local government. So I will just copy it here. So whatever state you are from, you can just search and copy your own. It seems it's not copying, but it is 880001. So I've gotten it already. I'll just come down here and impute. Okay, so now that I have successfully updated the two-step verification, I can now go directly to the Amazon KDP website to log in, Why? Because Amazon does not allow creation of double accounts. So once you create an account on Amazon website, you can log into all the Amazon website, different Amazon website, be it KDP or whatsoever. So that is for Amazon. So the next thing, I'm in the website of Amazon KDP. This is the Amazon KDP website. You can see kdp.amazon.com. So the next thing I'm going to be clicking on here, sign in. You can see my name is already here. So I will just click on sign in. After clicking on sign in, I'll click on here, agree. So the postal code that I got from there, this is the postal code. So I'm going to type in my phone number here. So from here, you can see I'm done with updating this profile. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to update my bank account details. Let's avoid the refresh problem. So let me save it first before I go over to the bank account. So I'm going to be updating the bank account here. So we are going to be using US account, United States, because we want to be using dollars. So we are going to select US listing state. So the next thing here is to input my account number. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this account number from your Pioneer account. I'm going to be using Pioneer account. So this is my Pioneer account. So I'm going to show you, although this Pioneer account, it is not the same account with the KDP account I just created. So I'm going to show you guys how to copy your Pioneer listing account. Okay, so this is my Pioneer account. So once you open your Pioneer account, the next thing you should do is just to click on the USD, because we are going to be using USD account details. So when you click on here, you click on the receiving account. So these are the receiving accounts. So this is my account number. I'm going to be copying the account number here. All I need to do is just to copy the account number. So you can see it has copied. So I'll come down here and type in the account number. This is where to input the account number. So after inputting it, I will input the account number here, enter the account number. So please don't forget, the type of account is checking. Please don't use savings, it is checking. This checking account number. So the next thing is to copy the routing number. So here is the routing number, this is the routing number here. So I'm just going to copy. You just long press, it is going to copy. So I'm going to paste it here. So the next thing for me is to come down here and save it. Okay, I've not imputed my name. I'm going to impute the name. So the next thing is to click on add. So I'm not going to be adding because this account number is not the account number for this Amazon KDP account that I created. You can see the name differs. So this is how to impute your account details. The only thing after this, you just need to click on add. When you click on add, it's going to save immediately. So the next thing after this is to set up your tax information, and that is also very simple. All you need to do is just log into the, after saving the account number, it is going to open way for you to input fill in the tax information. You just need to select and confirm and submit. So the next year you are going to be getting a tax certificate. So after getting that tax certificate, when you come down here to your main Amazon KDP page, you are going to be seeing this place is going to show, is going to be this place is going to remove from here. You no longer see this, your account information is incomplete, you no longer see it. So all you need to do is just to click on create. When you click on create, it is going to allow you to publish your ebook. You can see the different types of books: the Kindle ebook, the series page, the paperback, the better hardcover. So whichever one you are going to be uploading. So this is all about creating an account and updating your profile on Amazon KDP. So if you have any issues, if you encounter any issue, you can directly chat me on WhatsApp. I'm going to help you guys to sort out the problem. And maybe I was not able to show you guys how to update the tax information because I don't want to click on save, because the account details there are not the same with this KDP account. So you can chat me up on WhatsApp. I'm going to be helping you guys how to go about it if you have any issues on that. I hope this video helps you guys. Goodbye.